Which of the following expressions is equivalent to the given expression? Now here the given expression is 5.4 times x minus 2y minus 2.7 times of x minus 3y. Now 5.4, this term could be factorized as 2.7 times 2 into x minus 2y minus 2.7 times x minus 3y. Now 2.7 could be taken out as the common factor. So we have 2.7 times, and within brackets we have 2 into x minus 2y minus, here we are left with x minus 3y. Let us simplify this. So 2.7 into, here we have 2x, 2 into minus 2y, that's minus 4y. We simply open this bracket, so we have minus x plus 3y. So we have 2.7 into, now 2x minus x gives us x minus 4y plus 3y. Minus 4y plus 3y is minus y. So the correct answer is option B.